Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samutia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Session Method of Preparation of Alkenes. Student, today now we discuss method and preparation of alkyl. First method and preparation by dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. Dehydrogenation of alkyl halides. When alkyl halide react with ethanolic KOH and high temperature, it form corresponding to alkenes. So removal of HX from adjacent carbon atom is known as a dehydrohalogenation. So hydrogen's atom is removed from carbon atom and halogen's atom is removed from the adjacent of carbon atoms. This is known as a 1,2 eliminations. If NaOC2H5 alcohols, ethanol and tertiary butoxide or tertiary butanols is taken, yields will in the high temperatures. So reaction is RCH2CH2OH, RCH2CH2X and react with NaOH in the presence of ethanol convert to RCH2 double bond CH2 plus HX. NaOH can be replaced by KOH. Students अपन पढ़ रहे हैं डिहाइड्रोहेलोजिनेशन ऑफ एल्केन्स। वो डिहाइड्रोहेलोजिनेशन ऑफ एल्केन में RCH2CH के रिएक्ट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ NaOH एंड एथेनॉल कन्वर्ट टू एल्केन्स प्लस HX. Students, NaOH can be removed by KOH solutions. Okay, so dehydrations of alkenes can be dehydrohalogenations of different alkene halides in the sequence as the following is: the tertiary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl halide is greater than primary alkyl halides. So the secondary and tertiary alkyl halide on dehydrohalogenations gives high yield. Many alkyl halides on dehydrohalogenation from more than one types of alkenes. So it has low yield of alkenes. It obtained from primary alkyl halide, ethyl bromide, and reactions with ethanolic KOH from ethyl only. So alkyl halide from more than one alkane, for example 2-bromobutane on reaction with ethanolic KOH, and from 80% of 2-butene and 20% of 1-butene are present. So students, rate of the reaction is directly proportional to alkyl halide and base. Okay, next reactions are dehydration of alcohol. Alcohol are dehydrated in the presence of concentration H2SO4 and in temperature convert to RCH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O. Okay students, so the alkene are dehydration and alcohol are dehydration and convert to alkene product. Okay students, so two preparation are present in dehydration of alcohol and dehydrohalogenation of alkenes. Students, mechanism of dehydration of alkyl halide in these reactions, which are two atoms are removed for molecules, is known as elimination reactions. That is such as the 2 sigma bond break and 1 new sigma bond are formed in alkyl halide. So elimination reactions occurs by two types, via E1 elimination and E2 elimination mechanism. Okay students, तो अपन पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट में एलिमिनेशन E1 एंड E2. तो वहाँ पे अपन पढ़ेंगे कि डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ हेलोजिनेशंस की मैकेनिज्म. ओके, तो ये होता है अपने पास प्रिपरेशन. यदि डायरेक्ट प्रिपरेशन करना हो अपन को तो द RCH2CH2X रिएक्ट विद NaOH इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एथेनॉल कन्वर्ट टू RCH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 प्लस HX. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.